can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. Over the last 1 month, Bitcoin is up 2.2%. Bitcoin has seen a 52% increase. Over the last 1 year, Bitcoin dominance currently sits at 64.66%. With Bitcoin's market cap sitting at over $2 trillion, how high can Bitcoin possibly go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll look at Bitcoin's valuation against the US dollar, Bitcoin valuation against Ethereum, Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market. We'll also look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. How bullish are market participants? Are we still going to go to new all-time highs? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin can liquidate $15 billion in shorts with a 10% BTC quick uptick. That's what data is saying. Bitcoin traders eye key levels to hold and reclaim into weekly close, but the chances of major liquidity grabs are growing. Bitcoin is working on completing a successful support retest as traders bet increase prior to weekly close. Michael Saylor is at it again. Michael Saylor teases fresh Bitcoin buy after $1 billion stock offering. Send more orange. Strategies executive chairman Michael Saylor wrote on X, signaling another Bitcoin purchase from the company. Michael Saylor's company strategy has been the star of this cycle, accumulating more than 500,000 Bitcoins in the process, and we've seen Bitcoin dominance, guys, go from as low as 38% in September of 2022. Bitcoin's dominance has increased in the cryptocurrency market to as high as 65%. But I believe that Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market is in danger. Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market is about to dump aggressively to gobbling town. If you take a look at Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame, you see that Bitcoin is due a correction. Bitcoin has been in a bull market since November of 2022. Right now, Bitcoin has been in a bull market for over 945 days. I'll not be shocked if we're getting very, very, very close to the end of the cycle. Guys, you have to think about it from this perspective. Everybody that has bought Bitcoin is probably in a profit right now. The few people that are not in profit are the people that bought Bitcoin above $105,000. So for 99% of the time that Bitcoin has existed, if you bought Bitcoin at any point in time, you would have been in some sweet profit, and historically, that has been a good time to sell. If you look at the Bitcoin US dollar price on the weekly time frame, you see Bitcoin setting new all-time highs, while the RSI has not set new highs since March of 2024, even though we've seen price set new all-time highs in December. We have seen price come to set new all-time highs again in May of 2025. That might be a signal to watch out for in the coming days and the coming weeks. Why is the RSI not setting new highs? Why institutions over-indexing on Bitcoin? This has been a cycle of seeing institutions go all in on Bitcoin. Not just MicroStrategy, not just MetaPlanet. We're seeing a lot of other institutions spring up having a Bitcoin corporate treasury. Historically, guys, when you're hearing talks from big players, it's usually at the top, somebody selling to them. Remember, for somebody to buy, there must be somebody to sell to, and with Bitcoin's market cap hitting the $2.1 trillion level, I'm meant to believe, I want to believe that smart players that bought Bitcoin when it was at a market cap of around $300 billion are quietly offloading their position. And that's what happens cycle in, cycle out. Smart players that bought Bitcoin when it was down in Goblin Town, trading around $3,000, when the market cap was around $60 billion, they offloaded their positions when retail was waiting for $100,000, when some people that got into the market late were buying heavily in November of 2021. What was happening then? Smart money was running for their dear life, selling their Bitcoin above $60,000, while retail was calling for $100,000 Bitcoin. So don't get carried away, guys. This happens over and over again in the cryptocurrency market. When we have low prices, market participants are scared, nobody wants to buy, and immediately prices start going high, you see people going all in, and the higher they go, the more they want to get that profit. And right now, companies are even borrowing to buy Bitcoin, which historically has been very, very dangerous. I don't think this time is different. They're basically levering up to buy Bitcoin. We saw what happened with FTX, we saw what happened with 3AC Capital. Hopefully this time is different, but guys, history has shown me over time At this time, it's not different. We're playing the same script, just different actors. With Bitcoin trading above $105,000, Bitcoin's market cap has gotten to as high as $2.2 trillion. Bitcoin's all-time high happened on the 22nd of May 2025. Traded for as high as $111,970. If you want to get Bitcoin for yourself, guys, you can get Bitcoin on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, on OKX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Bitcoin right there. If you look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index tells us right now there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. Yesterday, guys, there was greed. Last week, there was greed. Last month, there was greed. And right now, we're waiting for the exit pump. We're waiting for Bitcoin dominance to dump. And if you take a look at what has happened in the last 3 months in the cryptocurrency market, we have seen emotions swing from extreme fear back to extreme greed. And I'll not be sure, guys, we'll see more periods of extreme greed in the coming days and coming weeks. If you look at Bitcoin dominance, which sits around the 64% region, guys, Bitcoin dominance cannot go up forever. I expect Bitcoin dominance to have a chill pill, and that chill pill might see Bitcoin dominance make an attempt towards that 53% region. That will mean we might easily see Bitcoin dominance dumping by around 16%. Guys, Bitcoin dominance dumping is not the end of the world. Bitcoin dominance can be dumping. Why the price of Bitcoin is going up, it just means the altcoin market is outperforming Bitcoin, which usually happens at the end of a market cycle. Take a look at what happened in 2021. After Bitcoin dominance went back to 72%, we saw a decline in Bitcoin dominance. What happened then? Altcoin market went parabolic. Bitcoin dominance went from as high as 73% to as low as 39%, a 45% decline in Bitcoin dominance in just around 126 days. So things can move very, very quickly. Don't get carried away by the good news stories you are seeing around the market. Even though we see a lot of liquidations, even though we see market strategy buying more Bitcoin, watch out for sentiment, guys. Watch out when you see extreme fear. Watch out when you see people expecting us to go to $140,000, $150,000, maybe even higher than that. And that's the sentiment we have right now in the cryptocurrency market. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in the next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.